Hello everyone, welcome to our new session. Now, in the previous lecture, we can see the what is meaning of the e-commerce and the what is e-commerce. Example of the e-commerce, features of e-commerce and the benefits and advantages of the e-commerce. Now, we can see in this lecture components of e-commerce and scope of the e-commerce. First, now we can see components of a e-commerce. There are the number of components are included in the e-commerce. The hardware and software must be selected in such a way that they can fulfill the needs of a e-commerce applications. Now we can see the diagram of components of the e-commerce. We can see number of the components of e-commerce. First is the internet, second is the e-commerce software, server operating system and web server hardware. First is the internet, and there is no e-commerce without the internet. So the internet is clearly of critical importance in the e-commerce. म्हणजे तुमच्या ई-कॉमर्समध्ये इंटरनेट काय आहे हा महत्त्वाचा कंपोनंट आहे. जर इंटरनेट नसेल तर तुमचं ई-कॉमर्स रन होणार नाही. रेफर्स टू द बाईंग अँड सेलिंग ऑफ अ goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute this transaction. आणि तुमच्या इंटरनेटचं स्पीड कसं हवं आहे तर हाय स्पीड कनेक्शन. ओके, now we can see the e-commerce software. E-commerce software means e-commerce software is the engine behind the scene of an online store, making it possible to easily manage inventory, add or remove product, calculate taxes and everything else required to manage a website and the fulfill orders. Okay, now we can see one by one components of the e-commerce. First component is the hardware. Hardware means the hardware is selecting a web server hardware, the software that will run on the server of the e-commerce transaction to be processed must be considered, and the amount of storage capacity and the computing power required depend on the volume of e-commerce transaction to be processed. काय केलं जातं हार्डवेअर इज द one of the component we can use in the e-commerce process. For example, your PC, computer, CPU, mouse, these are the example of the hardware and it is used for the e-commerce process. And hardware is used for the software that will run on the server of e-commerce transactions to be processed must be considered. Next is the e-commerce software. The software is the main component that implement the e-commerce services and the functionality. And one is the web server software and another is the e-commerce software. There are two software we can use in e-commerce software, web server software and e-commerce software. Now we can see first is the web server software. It is used to implement some extra functionality such as security and identification and retrieval and sending of a web pages, and the web server software creates a web log file that identify things such as the URL of the visitor, and the web server software that can satisfy clients request on the world wide web. तुमच्या वेब सर्वर सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये काय केलं जातं तर ज्या काही वेब लॉग फाईल आहेत त्या यूज केल्या जातात and it is used to implement some extra functionality such as the security and आयडेंटिफिकेशन अँड रिट्रायवल अँड सेंडिंग ऑफ वेब पेजेस. वेब सर्व्हर सॉफ्टवेअर यूज कशासाठी केलं जातं, तर जे काही तुमचे वेब पेजेस आहेत ते रिट्रायव अँड सेंड केले जातील. वेब सर्व्हर सॉफ्टवेअर क्रिएट अ वेबलॉग फाईल दॅट आयडेंटिफाईज थिंग्स सच ॲज द URL ऑफ दी विजिटर. वेबलॉग फाईल्स इथे यूज केल्या जाणार आहेत. वेबलॉग फाईल्स कशासाठी यूज केल्या जातात? वेबलॉग फाईल इट इज यूज फॉर रेकॉर्ड ॲक्टिव्हिटी ॲट website provide such a marketing data. Web server software includes website development tools such as HTML editor and web page upload supporter. And now we can see the next software is e-commerce software. E-commerce software, with the growth of e-commerce and many applications have emerged. Or the example, the electronic shopping cart that tracks the items selected for purchases and their cost. जे तुमच्या ई-कॉमर्समध्ये काय यूज केलं जातं, तर तुमचं शॉपिंग कार्ट असणार आहे ते यूज केलं जाणार आहे. ई-कॉमर्स सॉफ्टवेअर इज द इंजिन बिहाइंड द सीन ऑफ ॲन ऑनलाईन स्टोअर, मेकिंग इट पॉसिबल टू इझिली मॅनेज इन्व्हेंटरी, add or remove product, calculate taxes and everything else required to manage a website and the fulfill orders. ई-कॉमर्समध्ये काय केलं जाणार आहे सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये, तुमचे जे काही ऑनलाईन स्टोअर असेल त्याच्यातली इन्व्हेंटरी मॅनेज केली जाईल, ॲड और रिमूव्ह प्रोडक्ट केले जातील, कॅल्क्युलेट टॅक्सेस केले जातील. जे काही प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड असणार आहे ते तुमच्या ई-कॉमर्स सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये प्रोसेस केलं. हे झाले तुमचे कंपोनंट ऑफ दी e-commerce. Internet, we can see first is the internet. Internet is there is no number of e-commerce without the internet, or there is no e-commerce without the internet. So the internet is clearly of critical importance. Next we can see the e-commerce software. The e-commerce software is the engine behind scenes of an online store, making it possible to easily manage inventory, add or remove product, calculate taxes. And the server operating system, we can use the operating system in a e-commerce processes. And the web server hardware is the web. We can consider size, purpose and traffic on the site to determine the use of server hardware. Now we can see the e-commerce software must support the following processes. First is the catalog management. Catalog management means, or the catalog means, a systematic list of names, books and the picture, etc. Catalog management, the software used for catalog management combines the different product data format into a standard format for viewing, aggregating and the interacting catalog data into a central stores. काय केलं जातं तुमच्या कॅटलॉग मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये? कॅटलॉग मॅनेजमेंट कंबाईन द डिफरंट प्रोडक्ट डेटा फॉर्मॅट इंटू अ स्टँडर्ड फॉर्मॅट. जे काही तुमचे डिफरंट प्रोडक्ट डेटा असेल तो एका स्टँडर्ड फॉर्मॅटमध्ये व्ह्यू केला जाईल, ॲग्रिगेट केला जाईल आणि इंटरॅक्टिंग कॅटलॉग डेटा इंटू अ सेंट्रल स्टोअर. सेंट्रल स्टोअरला तो काय केला जाणार आहे, कॅटलॉग इंटरॅक्ट केला जाईल. Next is the product configuration. The web-based product configuration software allow the user to build the product, their specifications without the intervention of the salesperson. Intervention means the interpositions or the mediation. Means user can build the product to their specification without the intervention of the salesperson. For example, the Dell computers and the Cisco computers. Next is the shopping cart. Shopping cart, a model known as a shopping cart, is used by e-commerce sites to track the items that are used selected for a purchase. Means we can use shopping cart in a e-commerce business or e-commerce process. Shopping cart is one of the model known as a shopping cart used by e-commerce sites to track the items that selected for purchase. Next is the transaction processing. Transaction processing, e-commerce transaction processing is used to process the data received from the shopping cart and to calculate the total cost of the purchase. Means we can collect the data for a purchase product. In an e-commerce transaction process, the process data received from the shopping cart and the calculate total cost of this purchased product. Now we can see the web traffic data analysis. It is required to analyze all the data captured in the weblog files. Weblog files, it is used for the record activity, and the website provides such a marketing data, and the analysis is essential to improve the website performance. Now we can see the scope of e-commerce. There are the number of scope of the e-commerce. The scope of e-commerce business is turning out to be more famous day after day according to market demand. And this requirement is generating innovation worldwide. Focus on the delivery time, ease of transactions, and the several features served by the e-commerce business. For example, the drone delivery or the artificial intelligence. Now we can see one by one scope of the e-commerce. First is the selling can be focused to the global customer, pre-sales, subcontracts and the supply, financing and the insurance, commercial transactions that included ordering of product, delivering of product or services and the payment of the product, product services and the maintenance of the services and the product, cooperative product development, distributed cooperative working, use of public and private services, business to administration, example of the customs etc., transport and logistics, public procurements and the automatic trading of a digital goods, accounting, and the last one is the dispute resolution. Selling can be focused to the global customer. Means the e-commerce is the business of selling of products or services across geopolitical borders from a country of the origin, and the organization can expand their market to national and international markets with the minimum capital investment, and the organization can easily locate more customer, best suppliers and the suitable business partners across the globe. The e-commerce helps organization to reduce cost, to create process, distribute, retrieve and the manage paper based information by digitizing the information. Now improve the brand image of the company in a e-commerce, and e-commerce it helps in a organization to provide better customer services, and the e-commerce helps to simplify the business processes, make them faster and the efficient. Now the e-commerce is increased productivity of the organization and it is support pull type supply management. Pull type supply management means in a pull type supply management a business process starts when a request comes from a customer and it uses just in time manufacturing away. काय केलं जातं पुल टाइम सप्लाय मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये अ बिझनेस स्टार्ट वेन अ रिक्वेस्ट कम्स फ्रॉम अ कस्टमरकडून रिक्वेस्ट आल्यावर इट युजेस जस्ट इन टाइम मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग वे and the e-commerce we can use 24/7 support. म्हणजे तुमच्या ई-कॉमर्समध्ये काय असेल 24/7 हवर तुम्हाला सपोर्ट असेल. वी कॅन परचेस the product anywhere in the world and we can choose the perfect product in a e-commerce website and the quick delivery of the product. Okay, these are the scope of the e-commerce. In this lecture we can see the first is the components of the e-commerce. The hardware and software must be selected in such a way that they can fulfill the needs of e-commerce applications. Internet, e-commerce software, server operating system, web server hardware, these are the components of the e-commerce. Now we can see the which software are supported in a e-commerce software, or the e-commerce software must support catalog management, product configuration, shopping cart, transaction processing, web traffic data analysis. These are the support to the e-commerce software. And now last we can see the scope of the e-commerce. Selling can be focused to the global customer, pre-sales, subcontract and supply, financial and insurance, commercial transactions, ordering, delivery and the payment of the product or the services, and the product services and the maintenance, cooperative product development, distributed cooperative working, use of public and private service, business to administration, transport and logistics we can use for the product save and we can transport the product to the customer, public procurement, automatic trading of digital goods, accounting is used for we can manage the sales and purchase product quantity and how is a profit or losing the company, dispute the resolution. These are the scope of the e-commerce. Okay, thank you.